This video will show you how to install the WaterMaker 5 drain saddle. This is the third step in installing the WaterMaker 5 system. To start, you'll need the drain saddle, 2 hex nuts, 2 1 3/4 inch bolts, and the small adhesive foam pad, all located in the parts bag. In order to install the drain saddle, you will also need a Phillips screwdriver and an electric drill fitted with a 3/8 inch drill bit. The drain saddle is installed on the drain pipe under your kitchen sink. The drain saddle assembly must be installed before the P-trap. Do not install the drain saddle assembly between the P-trap and the wall. First, remove the protective paper from the small adhesive foam square and press it into the side of the drain saddle, aligning the openings. Place this piece of the drain saddle over the drain pipe and place the other part of the drain saddle around the back of the drain pipe. Holding these two parts in place with one hand, place the bolts into the brackets. Now thread both of the hex nuts onto the bolts. When they are hand tightened, use the Phillips screwdriver to begin to tighten the drain saddle into place. Hold the back of each hex nut while you slowly tighten each bolt. Tighten both sides evenly. As you turn the bolt, the hex nut will drop into the bracket and allow you to complete the process. Do not over-tighten. The next step will be to drill a hole in the drain pipe through the opening in the drain saddle. Before you begin this process, make sure the drain connector nut has been removed from the opening first. Using the electric drill with a 3/8 inch bit, drill through the opening in the drain pipe, using the opening in the drain saddle as a guide. Be careful not to bottom out the drill on the back side of the drain pipe. Insert the end of the white drain tube coming from the RO dispensing faucet through the drain saddle connector nut. Tighten the connector nut onto the opening of the drain saddle. Give the tubing a slight tug to confirm the connection. Now turn on the feed valve on the green feed line. Water should flow into the system. Check for leaks. To complete the installation of the WaterMaker 5 system, follow the system activation and flushing procedure outlined in the system manual. If you need a manual for your WaterMaker 5 system, you may download it from our websites.